welcome back to Canva Bestie. Today I'm going to show you how to do this cool zoom in animation on the video editor in Canva. Let's jump in. So first, let's open up a blank design. So I'm going into presentation because I find that easier to do this animation, but you can use video as well. And once we are in our blank canvas, let's start designing. So I'm going to change the background to a pink because I'm doing an advertisement for a strawberry milkshake. So I'm going to make the background pink like this, and I'm going to go over to my text and I'm going to add a heading. And I'm also going to size that down and move it over to the corner here. I'm going to duplicate it because I know I want two headings. And then at the bottom, I know I want a call to action. So I'm going over to elements and to shapes, and I'm picking out a shape for a button that I want. Then I'm just going to size it down and move it over here under my two headings. Now, when you're happy with how your button looks and the placement of it, let's move on to the star of the show, which are the strawberry milkshakes. So I'm going over into elements, and all I did to get this was search strawberry milkshake. So it's super easy to do, and I'm just holding and dragging to size it where I want it. And I'm going to pop this other strawberry milkshake in the background. Then through positions, I'm just going to adjust the layer so that it is below the other milkshake, so it's behind it. And there we go, that looks good. I'm happy with that. Next, we are going to, I'm just gonna center this here. Next, we're going to fill in our headings with what we want. Okay, and then I'm going to move the placement to the side and size up where I want them, and then I'm going to change the colors. When you're happy with the color, you can change the font by selecting, and I'm going to go with Bobby Jones just so it's more playful, and I'm going to change them both to that. I'm also going to adjust my line spacing. Let's change the font to this, size it up so you can see it, and then we're going to duplicate our Strawberry Blast title here, drag it down to make it smaller, and I'm going to make my call of action button here. Now, when you're happy with your text placement, your fonts, and your coloring, let's amp up the design. So I'm just going to add a few strawberries and put them throughout the design to make it pop. Okay, now that I'm done with my strawberries and I have them where I want them, I'm going to add a couple more little elements like squiggles just to add to the design. Now the next step is to get the zoom effect. So let's click and hold, and we're selecting every single element on the page, and I'm going to select group. Then we're going to right click and select copy, and we're going to add another page at the bottom here. Then you want to right click, select paste, and in the corner of this graphic, you want to hold and drag and put where you want the photo to zoom into in the video. Try to put it kind of in the center like this. And when you're happy with it, you want to go down here and add in a transition. And we're going to add in match and move, and you can change the duration. I like it to go a little bit slower. When you're happy with that, let's see how it looks. Now next, I'm going to show you how to zoom back out again. So let's make a third page here. Then we're going to select everything, select copy, go to our third page and select paste. Then we're going to zoom back out to the original page. And you want to try and place it where the first page is as best as you can. Okay, then we are next going to add a transition again by clicking transition, selecting match and move, and making our seconds longer. Okay, and to save it, you want to go over to share up in the right hand corner, select download, switch it to MP4 high quality video, and make sure all pages are selected so you get the full animation, and then select done and download. And here is our final result. I hope that you learned something. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks so much for watching.